Happy Grandparents Day, Grandpa, and to all the lovely grandparents watching the show.
Are you wishing us or scaring us?
Oops. Grandpa, on this special day, I wanted to ask you a very important question. I was talking to my friends and they were saying that since you were old, you have all of life's answers.
Old?
No. I mean, since you are so wise, you have all of life's answers. You are a fount of wisdom, always flowing with advice. Can you tell us the secret of a happy life?
Good save. Yes, sure. I can tell you the secret to happy life. But before that, I need an advance.
An advance? Advance of what? I have no money.
Money? No. I need advance in hugs. Now that I've received in advance, I can reveal to you the first secret. Health and exercise.
Health?
Yes, health is wealth. You need to exercise daily. When I was your age, I used to go 10 kilometer walking to school. And look at your...
Arya, no school only, so what to do?
No matter what age you are, you need to start your day with prayer and then exercise. And now that we have heard the mass, it's time to move it.
Okay, let me call my friends from standard 1 to 4 of Winpal Sunday School and your friends, the grandmas and grandpas, and let's move it.
I will show you some moves.
I exercise every day to keep myself fit so that I can run around with my grandchildren. Remember, if your body is not right, then the rest of your day will go wrong. Exercise and take care of yourself.
I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mud. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mud. Woman, physically fit. Physically fit. Woman, physically fit. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, energetic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mud. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mud. Woman, physically fit. Woman, physically fit. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, energetic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. He like to move it. She like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. He like to move it. She like to move it. We like to move it. They like to move it. You like to move it. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye to you. Farewell.
Whoa, I feel so refreshed after that exercise.
Exactly. And now that you are refreshed, it's time for you to get back to studies.
But today is a Sunday. God told to rest on a Sunday.
No excuses.
Grandpa, because I study so much, the kids in the building call me a nerd.
And what did you tell them?
I told him that I preferred the statement smarter than you.
Oh, now that's my girl. And now it's time to reveal to you the next secret. Don't worry what the world will tell you. Live your life without fear.
Good point, Grandpa. Why not put your life advice into some music and dance along with the students of grade 5 to 8 while they perform on some foot tapping Bollywood songs?
Oh, jackass!
कष्ट काम करून दे नका
संसाराचे चिंते नाका तुमचे काळीज कितें म्हणटा ते करात तुमच्या सतर्कपणे जियेयात आनी हरकल्या ते मोगाळ रावा
Happy Grandparents Day, Maya and Abba.
थँक्यू
Take me to the right, I will pass the wind between my fingers. Take me to the sun on the highest mountain ever been before.
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे we got to go that way we got to go that way कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं जाए जहां भी लगे जिंदगी we got to go that way we got to go that way अब जो भी हो जाने दो हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे दिल से कहो कहते रहो हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो लड़े जो दुनिया लड़ने भी दो हम अपनी धुन में गाओ दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो बंधन टूटे टूटने दो कोई छूटे छूटने दो ना घबराओ हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना हम है नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना
Wow, wow, you kids are really awesome. I'm sure you all will grow up to be a fearless, kind, and loving human being.
With our fount of wisdom by our side, I'm sure we'll do just fine. Grandpa, how did you become so wise?
Wisdom is the gift of the Holy Spirit. And now, here is a drop of wisdom for a happy life. No matter how successful or busy you are in life, you need to make time for God, who blesses us with lots of gifts. Life is incomplete without God's grace.
True, Grandpa. And our show would be incomplete without a special message from our parish priest and Sunday school head, Father Reginald Mascarenes. So let's sit and watch.
Make God a part of your whole day. Just not your playtime. Talk about Him with your family and friends. Read the Bible and remember, a family prays together and stay together.
Happy Grandparents' Day to all the amazing grandparents that we have in our parish. Please know that we appreciate and love you not only because it is a Grandparents' Day, but for all that you are to the family and to the church. As I wish you a happy and healthy life, I must say that you all are a great blessing to the family and to the church. There is so much of love and goodness in your heart, and you share it with ever-changing time and season. We appreciate the incredible things that you do for the family, especially to the grandchildren and also to the church. We love you and we are grateful to have you in our lives and in our family and in our church. Never lose your fun-loving spirit, your caring nature, loving nature, the romance maybe, your spark. Always stay young at heart. What children need are the essentials or maybe a small things of life, and you grandparents can provide them in abundance. Their needs may be unconditional love, they need kindness, patience, understanding, some humor, the stories which are repeated over and over again, maybe the comfort of life, maybe lessons of life, joyful, happy and secured life. That is all what grandchildren needs. And so I take this opportunity to thank each and every grandparents, amazing grandparents that you all are, and I wish you a happy Grandparents' Day. Cheers and all the best.
Such a nice message from a dear parish priest. He is one wise cookie.
Yes, indeed. Grandpa, for how long have you been married?
Too long. I have been married for 40 years, but it looks like just yesterday.
Phew, I don't think I'll get married. It seems like a lot of work.
Yes, it is lot of work, but it's the greatest adventure to love one another and build a family and talk to the grandchildren. We had our ups and downs. We shared our joys and sorrows. We respected each other. We are partners. Love is beautiful, and you will experience it.
For trial, can I have a boyfriend?
Yeah. First you go and do your homework. While I watch the performance by standard 9 to 11 and refresh my memories.
लहान आणि संतोष बरी जीवित जियेचे जाल्यार एकामेकाक मोगान आनी मानान लेगूंक जाय. मोग मेळटाना तिरस्कार करिनाकात.
एकामेका मानान जाला थोडे फावटी जिवनांत मस्त कश्ट येवंक पुरव. त्या दाळा एकामेकाचो हात सोडिनाकात.
दिल तक देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी. दिल तक देखो दिल तक देखो दिल तक देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी, ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो
बिना चैन कहाँ रे, प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे, सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले। सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले,
अरे प्यार कर ले।
सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले,
अरे प्यार कर ले।
Oh, that refreshed my memories of running around the trees.
With whom?
Oops, no one. I was just kidding.
It's okay, Grandpa. Your secret is safe with me. Just chill. Just chill.
You are right. You are becoming wiser very soon. We need to chill and go with the flow. And the flow is telling me that we should get ready and put a dancing shoe and party.
With whom?
Come on, you can guess. So, are you ready?
Born ready.
When life gives you lemons, take out your glass, add some salt and make lemonade.
Or fill it with tequila.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी।
कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले, शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के।
For anything, I can give you everything.
रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के।
Ask me for anything, I can give you everything.
हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के।
नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना। नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना।
He is
can I wear?
नचले नचले अरमान मचले अरे दाई दे दाई दे दाई 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 दाई
दे दे मुझे प्यार दे
अरे दाई दे दाई दे दाई 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 दाई
दे बेबी प्यार दे
अरे दाई दे दाई दे दाई 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 दाई
या हम तुझसे ले ले
सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार ओ छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार सिटी मार ओ छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार छप्पी मार
Whoa, that was fantabulous. Music and dance is a very important part of our happy life. Super fun.
Dear grandparents, I hope you all had fun and thank you for sharing the secret of a happy life with us. Just like how you'll share your time and wisdom with us, these small performances is our way of sharing our time and love with you. Thank you so much for everything you'll do for us. May God bless you all forever. Happy Grandparents' Day.
Thank you so much, my child. We are always there for you. Come, I'll show you.
Wait a minute. What about my homework?
Homework? Homework your wise grandmother will do. Come on.